Looking for the best corded detail sander to deliver precision and smooth finishes on your projects? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing corded detail sanders of the year, considering power, control, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. DWT Detail Sander. The DWT Detail Sander stands out as a powerful and compact tool that is perfect for woodworking enthusiasts and DIY lovers. Equipped with a 1.5 ampere copper motor, it operates at 15,000 orbits per minute, offering strong performance while maintaining low vibration and reduced heat generation. This ensures longer operation times with minimal fatigue, allowing users to complete projects efficiently. One of the most useful features is the included detail finger attachment. This accessory enables access to tight spaces, corners, and edges that are typically difficult to reach with standard sanders. The attachment is easy to change without additional tools, making it convenient to switch between tasks. Its compact size, along with a lightweight build of only 2.8 pounds, allows the sander to be controlled easily with one hand while maintaining precision on delicate surfaces. The ergonomic soft rubber handle further reduces hand strain, making extended sanding sessions comfortable. The integrated dust collection system with microfiltration ensures a cleaner work environment by capturing debris during operation. The removable dust box simplifies cleanup and helps maintain visibility on the work surface. Number 4. Galax Pro Detail Sander. The Galax Pro Detail Sander is a compact yet effective electric tool that appeals to users looking for straightforward performance and comfort. With its 1.1 amp motor producing 13,000 oscillations per minute, it is well suited for light to medium sanding projects. Whether you are refinishing furniture, removing old paint, or smoothing wooden surfaces, it provides consistent results that enhance the quality of your work. This model comes with 20 sandpapers, giving you a range of options right from the start. Its dust box is another thoughtful addition, designed to capture debris effectively while remaining easy to detach and clean. This helps keep the working area tidy and reduces the mess often associated with sanding projects. The soft grip handle improves comfort during use, making it easier to handle even during extended sessions. Its lightweight and compact design allows users to maneuver it into corners and edges that larger sanders cannot reach. This makes it a great option for detailed work, especially on furniture, moldings, and small home repair jobs. While it may not carry the same high-powered performance as premium models, it holds its own in terms of practicality and ease of use. For users who prioritize simplicity and comfort without sacrificing efficiency, the Galax Pro Sander is a solid option. Number 3. Haichika Detail Sander. The Haichika Detail Sander offers a solid balance of performance and affordability, making it a great choice for home improvement enthusiasts and DIYers. Operating at 14,000 oscillations per minute, it provides enough power to tackle paint removal, polishing, and finishing tasks with efficiency. Its compact design makes it particularly useful in tight spaces, where larger sanders often struggle to reach. This adaptability makes it suitable for projects like sanding furniture edges, corners, and decorative wood pieces. The package includes 12 sandpapers, which is a convenient addition for users who want to start working immediately. The tool also features a quick change system, ensuring smooth and fast replacement of sandpapers during tasks. Its dust collection system is designed to capture debris efficiently, keeping your workspace cleaner and helping reduce airborne particles for safer operation. Ease of use is another strength of the Haichika Sander. With its lightweight build and comfortable grip, it reduces hand strain during longer tasks while still providing precise control. Number 2. SKIL Corded Multifunction Detail Sander. The Skill SR232301 stands out as a highly versatile detail sander designed to tackle multiple tasks with ease. Powered by a durable motor, it offers consistent performance across a variety of sanding jobs, from smoothing wood to polishing surfaces and removing paint. Its multifunction capability is enhanced by 3 additional attachments that allow users to customize the sander for specific applications. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for those who frequently work on different types of projects. The integrated microfilter dust box is another key highlight. It traps fine dust particles effectively, helping maintain a clean environment and preventing inhalation of harmful debris. The easy-to-empty design of the dust box ensures convenience while minimizing downtime between tasks. In addition, the 12 sanding sheets included in the package provide a great starting point. Number 1. Black & Decker Detail Sander. The Black & Decker sander takes the crown as the best pick in corded detail sanders for its combination of comfort, power, and versatility. Built with a compact design and a 3-position grip, it offers excellent control and ease of use, even during long sanding sessions. The 1.2 amp motor delivers a strong 16,000 oscillations per minute, making it highly effective for smoothing rough surfaces, removing paint, and achieving a polished finish. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.